Hi Mike, this is Heidi over at Taylor & Sons. These are the two Suburbans that you had questions about. I'm going to go ahead and go around the exterior and interior of the vehicles and show you condition. Start with the 2008. This is the white one here. This one is the 71 off-road package, so it does have a little bit of a difference in appearance. Coming along the driver's side, front fender and doors are in good shape, no dents or dings, no scratches. Little rock chip there on that little fender. The badging of the Z71. Back panel's in good shape. Coming along the back, the bumper is in good shape. There is one scuff here, but the lift gate is in really good shape. No loading scratches along here. Tow package. Coming along the passenger side, it is also in really good shape. Back panel, both doors are in good shape. Couple rock chips again on here. But overall, very nice exterior condition. Front fender's in good shape. Front bumper is also very clean and straight. There are a few rock chips here that we are going to get touched up on the hood. Otherwise, hood is in really nice shape. Windshield's in good condition. No chips or cracks through the windshield. All four wheels are in very nice shape. Back tire condition here. And the front tires are brand new. You can see the tread there, all terrains. Interior is in very nice shape. This leather is pretty unique. It's kind of a two-toned. There's no funny smells or anything like that. No tears in the leather. Dashboard's in good condition. No big scratches or gouges in that. Bunch of the miles on this guy. 88,210 on this guy. This one does have a trailer brake control. Sunroof there. This one also has rear entertainment. This Suburban had the option of captain's second row. Both seats are in good condition, no tears, anything like that. Carpet is in good shape. A little bit of wear, but no holes or anything like that. Back seats are in excellent condition as well. Power lift gate. And the back here is very clean. A few little scratches on the plastic here, most likely from loading luggage or any type of cargo. Lift gate is operating correctly. Alright, and starting with the 07, these are both very similar in equipment. This one is non-Z71. Coming along the front, it's very straight. No dents or dings in the front bumper or hood. There's not hardly any rock chips on this one. Windshield's in good shape. No cracks or chips in that either. Front fenders in good shape. Doors are in excellent condition, no scratches or dents. Both of these Suburbans were very well taken care of. Back liftgate, very nice shape. Bumper is in excellent condition. Your tow package there. Passenger side, very nice. Again, no dents, no scratches. A few little chips. I don't know if you can see those there, but very, very minor. Front fender is in good shape. Tire condition in the front. Lots of tread left. These wheels have a little bit of corrosion on them, but that's pretty common and not a serious issue at all. It's hardly noticeable on these wheels too. This interior is lighter. It's kind of a light gray. Both seats in excellent condition. No tears or holes in any of the leather. Carpet's in good shape. No stains on the front here. This one does have a second row bench. They operate the same as the buckets would. They'll fold down flat and tumble forward. This does have second row heated seats. This one also has a sunroof, but does not have rear entertainment, so no DVD back here. Back seats are in excellent condition. Power lift gate works properly. Looks pretty good back here, very clean. Little bit of discoloration in the carpeting there, but it's in good shape. No tears or funny smells, anything like that. This one does have kind of a cargo closeout there, which is kind of nice. You can take that out if you'd like. Both in excellent condition. Very nice Suburbans. Go ahead and show you the mileage on this one as well. $88,593, so just a little more miles. All right, Mike, if you have any questions about either of these vehicles, please give us a call here at the dealership, 208-263-2138. Thanks.